Let us look at other examples for static members. I will write a class called Innova car, and in this I will mention public only. So static integer price. Now I will have one static member int get price, and this member will return price. And outside the class I must declare this integer Innova price, and I should set some price. Let us say 20 lakh, that is 20. I am just mentioning value 20. Now this is one of the example that I have already discussed, that a car is having its price and the price is static, it is fixed for all the objects. Now if you create the object of Innova, I1, I2, I3, all these objects will have same price. If I say cout I1 dot price and L, now even if I say cout I3 dot price, I should get the same answer. And even if I say cout Innova price, then also I should get the same price. Let us see what are the answers I get. See, 20 is printed 3 times. So the price is same, so it is a static member. It belongs to a class Innova, doesn't belong to a particular object, or I should say that it belongs to all the objects of a Innova car class. So this is one example. Now I'll take one example of a student and I will assign roll numbers to the students. So let me remove this and write down a code for student class. Class student, and I'll make the members as public so it's easy for accessing. I will have one roll number and name of a student is string type. Then I will have a constructor for a student class which will just take a name of a student and initializes name to this n, whatever the parameter is taking. Now one important thing, I want to assign roll number automatically, so for that I should have one data member, that is ADD number, that is admission number, that is static member. Now here outside the class I should declare that is it belong to a student, and this is ADD number, admission number, and initially admission number is 0. Now here inside this student class I will also write one function, that is void display, which will display the information of a student. Cout name is name, adl roll number is roll, and adl. Now one thing is remaining that I have to do is inside the constructor, here I should increment admission number and assign roll number with admission number. So what happens is whenever you create an object of a student, admission number will be incremented and that will be assigned as a roll number of a student. Here I will take student object S1 whose name is John, then one more student object S2 whose name is Ravi, and one more student object S3 whose name is Khan. I have created 3 student objects. Now if I try to find out the information of first student, call display. There I have written the code for displaying. You can see that when you call display, it will display the name and roll number of a student. So this is first student. Then I will say s3 dot display. This will display the information of third student. Let us run and see. This third student should get a roll number 3 and first one should get roll number 1. Yes, name is John, roll number 1 and name is Khan, roll number 3. Now, if I want to know what is the current admission number, I can say Cout number of admissions. I can know the number of admissions by saying student scope resolution admission number and NL. So with this I can know how many students have joined. I can add more students, so I'll just copy this and I will try to create more objects with same name, but variable names I'll be changing 4, 5 and 6. You can see that I have 6 student objects, so here admission number should be 6. And if I try to display 6th student detail, I should get Khan and roll number 6. Yeah, roll number 1, name is John, roll number 1 and name is Khan, roll number 6 and the number of admissions are 6. That's it. So this is how a static member, that is data members and functions of a class, can be used. So I have not written any function here. So this code is simple, having just a student class and its objects are created here. That's all. So you can try this program. So this is how static members can be used in various ways.